Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 FPS drops problem. So here's what you gotta do. Go to search, type in settings. Once you open settings, go to display, scroll a bit till you find graphics. Once in here, go to the search list and find Forza Horizon 6. After you find it, make sure you set the GPU preference to high performance, not the power save mode, or let the Windows decide, just the high performance, and then restart your PC. After you've done that, you want to open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers. Obviously, you want to download the latest game-ready drivers. You want to go to system, and you want to disable the G-Sync here. If it's on, you want to disable it. Also go to settings, and you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay. After done all of that, you want to exit out of this. You can also cap your FPS by right-clicking on the NVIDIA and then go to control panel. And once this opens, you want to go to manage 3D settings, and you want to go to program settings. And in here, find like Forza Horizon 6. And once you find it on the list, you want to scroll through this until you find max frame rate, and you want to click on it once, click on, and then set it to whatever your display is, like 120 hertz or whatever. Or you can try like 120 or 144 hertz and then see if that fixes your issue. Once you cap it in here, you can set it to unlimited in the Forza Horizon, and that should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 FPS drops problem. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.